Hi, my name is Sofia Ramos and my team is confirmed by Diego Cruz Cabezas, and in this case we're talking about the keys of an effective presentation.
The way we communicate our ideas is important because it's the way that changes happen. The beginning of the presentation, related with the form, is to establish what it is, what you're talking about, and like the antecedents. In the middle is what you are trying to do, moving forward and back because the people are adapting your idea. And at the end, you have to describe the world of how the presenter wanted it to be, like the initial idea and the transformation idea. The shape of an effective presentation that is shown to us by Nancy Duarte in this case is like the form of a wave that goes up and down. There's present a three-part structure of an effective presentation. The first one is to have a likable hero. The second one is to encounter roadblocks, and the third one is that the emerges transformed. It's important to know that the audience is the hero of the idea of the presenter. The presenter, in this case, is the mentor that helps the audience move one thing into the new special idea. Changing the world with an idea happens when the idea is spread out.
In our first scenario, we have the audience being indifferent because at that hour most of the people are almost asleep or are even awaking. When you're the last presenter, there can be two types of audience. The first of all, it's when they are unaware. It means that they don't even care or they don't want to be there. And the second one, it's when they are unfavorable. It means that they will take advantage of you or don't even care about what you're talking about. Third case, there can be only one type of audience, and it can be unfavorable because you will have less time, so the people will have to pay attention to a lot of things in less time that it was planned. So they may think different or they don't even get the idea that you have. In the fourth case, when you're presenting bad news, it means that almost everyone is going to be unfavorable because they don't want to hear bad news. In our last scenario, when people it's going to ask a lot of brutal questions, it can be beneficious or it can be unfavorable depending on what you think because they will pay a lot of attention, but maybe it's not the attention you want. So it's more of the perception of what the presenter is going to do. If you want to make an extraordinary presentation, you have to maintain the audience physically involved. It means that you have to do activities so they can interact with what you're talking about. Also, you have to keep the audience with a sense of excitement. It will keep their attention and they maybe ask questions. Also, you can relate a personal story that have to be with the topic. It means that the people will be more interested and may have a connection with you.